Alright, today we're going to take a look at another new Zippo. And I also got sent a copy of the Alan Parsons project, and this one's called iRobot. And it's from 1977. Some pretty good music. So let's take a look at this Zippo. It comes in the normal Zippo black box and is made in the USA. And all it says on it is Aces above the barcode. Manufactured in Bradford, PA. It's got the normal insert. Here is, these are actually pocket Aces. Pretty good in Texas Hold'em. It's on a steel body. And it looks like it was made in C of 21, which is March. Good stampings. Bradford, PA, made in USA. Got real good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. So it passes the drop test nicely. And as a side note, Zippo makes quite a few things with their label on them. Of course, it makes a lot of Zippo with Aces on the cover or the front. It also makes playing cards. These are just right or back playing cards with a Zippo in there somewhere. That's nice. And definitely needs a little cowbell here. Knuckle bomb.